Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable accidental touch protection in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 phone. To turn on accidental touch protection, for example, when our phone is in a dark place, in bag, in our pocket, we have to go to Settings, then Display option, and at the bottom here we have accidental touch protection. So what does it do? Protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as pocket or bag. So as I explained to you, so we simply check this little box, and now our phone won't be accidentally turned on or blocked. For example, if we accidentally put different or wrong password by simply fiddling with the phone in our pocket. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.